Hi everyone. So we'll move to more problems from matrix, and within few sessions we'll be winding up chapter 3 matrices. Okay, so now we'll be seeing some problems from the last sessions. So don't try to skip any of the session, attend all of them. Okay, these are very important, definitely will be come for the exam also. Okay, just share with your friends and study together, get very good score in maths. Okay, so let's do the problem. We have two matrices A and B, and they have given x square as -1. Then show that a plus b the whole square equals a square plus b square. So for that, first what we have to find out, a plus b. Okay, so a plus b will be equal to, so adding these two matrices, right? So just add the corresponding elements. So 0 plus 0, 0, minus x plus 1 will be minus x plus 1, x plus 1 will be x plus 1, 0 plus 0 is 0. This is a plus b. Okay, now we have to find out a plus b whole square. So I'll just write it here. A plus b whole square, that means multiply a plus b matrix 2 times, right? So 0 minus x plus 1, x plus 1, 0. Multiply this with the same matrix, 0 minus x plus 1, x plus 1, 0. Okay, I'm just rubbing it off. Now let's do the matrix multiplication. So take the first row, first column. Okay, so 0 into 0 plus minus x plus 1 into x plus 1. Okay, then first row, second column, 0 into minus x plus 1 plus minus x plus 1 into 0. Second row, first column, x plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into x plus 1. Now x plus 1 into minus x plus 1 plus 0 into 0 is 0. Fine. Okay, so now here 0 into 0 is 0 itself, and here we need to multiply each term. Okay, so let's take minus x first. So minus x into x will be minus x square. Again, minus x into 1 will be minus x. Okay, now we have multiplied minus x with both the terms in this bracket. Now take the second element here, 1. So 1 into x is plus x, 1 into 1 is 1. Clear? So here minus x and plus x will get cancelled because both are same but opposite sign. So both will get cancelled. So we'll get minus x plus 1. So if we rearrange it, it will be 1 minus x square. Clear? So I can write here 1 minus x square. So 0 we can cancel. Now here 0 into this term plus another term into 0. Okay, so whatever term multiply with 0, it will give answer as 0. Here also x plus 1 is multiplied with 0 plus again x plus 1 multiplied with 0, so it will be 0. Now here take first x into minus x is minus x square because 2 x's are there. Now x into 1 is x. Now we have multiplied with x. Now take second element 1. 1 into minus x is minus x and 1 into 1 is plus 1. X minus x is 0. Okay, so we'll get minus x square plus 1. Okay, so I can write it here, minus x square plus 1. If we rearrange it, it will be 1 minus x square. Clear? Now we'll see a square. A square means a into a. Okay, so we'll multiply a 2 times. So take the first row, 0 into 0 plus minus x into x is minus x square. Then we have first row, second column, 0 into minus x plus minus x into 0. Again x into 0 plus 0 into x. Now x into minus x square minus x, then 0 into 0. Okay, so this will be minus x square, this term will be 0 because all are multiplied with 0, and this is also 0. This will be minus x square. Fine. Now let's find out b square. Okay, so b into b. So b is 0 1 1 0. 0 1 1 0. Okay, so let's see the matrix. So 0 into 0 0 plus 1 into 1 1. 0 into 1 0 plus 1 into 0 0. 1 into 0 0 plus 0 into 1 0. 1 into 1 1 plus 0 into 0 0. 0 plus 1 1. 0 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 0. 1 plus 0 1. Okay, now let's add a square and b square. Okay, so a square plus b square. So minus x square 0, 0 minus x square plus 1 0 0 1. Okay, so the answer is minus x square plus 1, there will be minus x square plus 1. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, minus x square plus 1. I can rearrange it, so it will be 1 minus x square 0, 0 1 minus x square. Okay, this is our next problem. Find the matrix A such that 2 minus 1 1 0 minus 3 4 into A equals this matrix. Okay, so since this is a 3 by 2 matrix, right? 3 rows and 2 columns. So if we get this matrix has the answer, then what will be the order of A? So we already discussed in the matrix multiplication topic. So when one matrix is 3 by 2, then another matrix which is getting multiplied to it should be 2 by 3 order. Okay, then only we can multiply. That we already discussed with proper explanation in matrix multiplication topic. Okay, so if one matrix is 3 by 2, then the matrix which is multiplied with this one should be 2 by 3 order. So we can consider A as A, B, C, D, E, F. This is 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so I can substitute this variables in place of A. So 2 minus 1, 1, 0, minus 3, 4. A, B, C, D, E, F. So our answer is this one. Minus 1, minus 8, 10, 1, minus 2, minus 5, 9, 22, 15. Okay. So multiply first row, first column. 2 into A plus minus 1 into D. Okay. First row, second column, 2 into B plus minus 1 into E. 2 into C plus minus 1 into F. Next, 1 into A plus 0 into D. 1 into B plus 0 into E. 1 into C plus 0 into F. Next, minus 3 into A plus 4 into D. Minus 3 into B plus 4 into E. Minus 3 into C plus 4 into F. Clear? Now 2 into A is 2A. Minus 1 into D is minus D. Okay. 2 into B is 2B. Minus 1 into C is minus C. 2 into C is 2C. Minus 1 into F is minus F. 1 into A is A. 0 into D is 0. 1 into B is B. 0 into E is 0. 1 into C is C. 0 into F is 0. Minus 3 into A is minus 3A plus 4 into D is 4D. Minus 3 into B is minus 3B plus 4 into A is 4E. Minus 3 into C is minus 3C plus 4 into F is 4F. Clear? Okay. So using this equations, there are small equations in place of the elements, right? We can get A, B, C, D, E, F. So that we will get matrix A. Clear? Okay. So I will just write here. So from here, what is A? A value will be, see the corresponding element. So A is similar to 1, right? So A equals 1. What is B? B is same as, see the corresponding element you can just compare. B, in place of B in this matrix, here it is minus 2. What is C? C is minus 5, right? So we got A, B, C. Now we need to find out D, E, F. Okay. So let's see. This is E. Okay. So let's take this one. 2A minus D equals, what is the corresponding element? Minus 1. And A value is 1, right? So 2 into 1 minus D equals minus 1. 2 minus D equals minus 1. Minus D equals minus 1 minus 2. Clear? So minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. Okay, so both sides we have negative, so negative will get cancelled. So D is 3. Similarly, take this one. 2B minus E equals minus 8. So B value is minus 2. 2 into minus 2 minus E equals minus 8. 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Minus E equals minus 8. Minus E equals minus 8. Here it is minus 4. So here it will be plus 4. So minus 8 plus 4 will be minus 4. Okay. So handling of negative numbers, we already learned it. Okay, those who are attending this for the first time, go through it and study that. Okay, it is very important. So our E value will be, since both sides we have negative, just cancel it. So E will be 4. Okay, now let's take the third one. 2C equals F. C is C value as minus 5. Yes, 2 into minus 5, 2C minus 5, right? 2C minus 5 equals minus 10. Okay, so 2 into minus 5 minus F equals minus 10. Minus 10 minus F equals minus 10. So here it is minus 10. So when it moves to the other side, it will be minus 10 plus 10, so this will be 0. And we can cancel negative because minus 0 and 0 are same. So F value is 0. So matrix A will be equal to 1, 2, minus 5, 1, minus 2, minus 5, 3, 4, 0. A, B, C, D, E, F values are 1, minus 2, minus 5, 3, 4, 0. Clear? So we got the unknown matrix A.